Okay. Alright. Ready? Hold on a second. Alright. Drunk. I wanna be drunk when I wake up on the right side of the wrong bed. Every excuse I made up, tell you the truth, I hate what didn't kill me, never made me stronger at all. Ruffled sky on makeup, lipsticks to me, so now I better lean back. Sad, yeah, wishing now it's sober, though I'll never hold you like I used to. The house gets cold when you cut the heating. Without you to hold, I'll be freezing. Can't rely on my heart for beating. You should take part of it every evening. Take words out of my mouth just by breathing. Replace your faith is like when you're leaving me. Should I? Maybe I'll get drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again to feel it too loud. I wanna hold your heart in both hands. Don't want you to look at the bottom of a cold can. But I get no plans for the weekend. Just so we speak and keep it between friends. Though I know you'll never love me like you used to. There may be other people like us who see the figure we couldn't when they light our flames. Just create us. The burns don't heal like before. You don't hold me anymore. Don't place, go like a burn thing. You know I can't do things with a handshake. You know I can't change. They stop me insane. You got me wide open like landscape. Putting bowls of beer but never champagne to applause you and the sound that my hands make. Should I? Maybe I'll get drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again. To feel it too long. All by myself, I'm here again. All by myself, never change. All by myself, all by myself, I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again. Feeling too loud. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again to feel it too loud. Yeah, this is Taylor. It's Wolfie. Hello. Yeah. Any other song requests?